Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use transitions in Google Slides. So let's go straight into it. So I've already finished this first slide here. I put transitions in, as you can see, by clicking this button at the top here. I've done the fade in and the fade in on that one. You can actually change these, but let's just say we start a new slide. So let's add title and body here. So you can do this with pictures, but for this video I'm just going to be using text boxes. So let's just add test and test video, and then click on the one that you want to add a transition to. Now you can either already have the transitions open, but let's say we don't. We'll right click on it by putting 2 fingers on the trackpad on the Mac and then clicking down, and then you want to scroll down to animate, and it should already put one on there for you. So as you can see, it's put in a fade in on click, so that'll be like, say you're preventing using the arrows or anything like that. So then you're going to choose in what you want. So let's just say I want to fly in from the left on this top one, and then we're going to click on the bottom one, and then we're going to click select an object to animate, and then we'll put one on the bottom one, and let's say we want that one to fly in from the right. So that's basically as simple as it is. You can choose to do it by paragraph, you can choose how fast it goes, you can do it to pictures, you can do it to videos, you can use basically any object on the slide. But yeah. You can make it as complicated as you want, as simple as you want, but it just adds that little bit of spice to your presentation to make it a bit more interesting for the people who are watching it. So yeah, that's basically all there is to this video. If it helped you, make sure to leave a thumbs up. If something didn't work, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I will try and help you out with that. Yeah, hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.